Place the yarn tail on your left palm, with the tail hanging far below your palm, approximately 5 centimeters. Holding the tail on your palm with left thumb, grab the yarn on the top with the right hand. Twist the yarn around the 2 upper fingers once, creating an X, meaning placing the yarn on the top to the left. Now hold the middle of the X with your left thumb and yarn behind with your 4th and 5th fingers, pressing it to the palm. Widen the fingers. Grab the hook and insert it into the loop from right to left. Grab the working yarn from the front and pull through the loop. Twist it. Grab the loop on the hook and everything near it with your right thumb and index finger, so it stays in place. Gently take off the magic ring. Left hand. Place the working yarn normally, meaning put it on the index finger and press it to the palm with your 4th and 5th fingers. Grab everything below the loop on the hook with your thumb and 3rd finger. Yarn over and pull up a loop. Here we go. Here is a magic ring. And now you can crochet as many stitches as you need, just crochet over the X.